Yo. Check this out. I'ma spit this verse. I'm gonna do that. My style like Sonic and my words hit the project. My world's so demonic and I live so logic. Spitting, burning lyrics just like the heavy basic. Cause I'm too ahead of the flying chronic. Crucial in my head, leaders of the proxy. Don't ask about us, our verses already got it. Now spitting flying shit under my feet on ya. The home studio, shit the lyrics don't trust.
Yeah, my style's sick, dirtier than a homeless bum. I spit fire that reaches higher temperatures than the sun. I say fuck a gun, cause by the time this rapper's done, I'll gain so much power the devil will even run. I'll chop up your nuts and squash them in your mother. 9 months later, you have a deformed little brother. The dead I stutter, yo, my style's like no other. I'm the kind that would tell a blind person that they're another color. I get sick with this like ingesting feces, disturbing the peace of all human species.
Now if I was a midget, I'd probably bust real wicked. I say, here's my CD, better buy my fucking ticket. Don't rush this, when I grip mics I bust this. At the top my lungs screaming, I got this ruckus for reals. Yeah, cause that's my whole meaning. He's your tuna sandwich, no mayo, I use my semen. For one reason, watch me bomb your whole legion. Your mama pussy so loose, I put both my feet in.
Take a look around, cause I'm back again. Mainstream, fuck off, it's the back of my hand. Yeah, fuck rap, I'ma do this route. I will take it, girl, and fuck all night. My family always said, gotta behave. Situation got worse, now I'm getting paid. And fuck all your haters, all you do is talk shit. Might as well be a pussy feeding my dick.
You're repetitive with your rhymes, it's just a loop. Grind up your daddy's dick, I'll feed it to you in some soup. You're fucking yourself like an American troop. You're bitching with the shit like reading out of one hoop. Just for the people that think I don't know how to rhyme. Yet when you write your bars, it takes you so much time. That ain't me though, realize I'm in my prime. I'm the outcome of perfection, one of God's best designs. So when you fucking around with mine, all your confidence declines.
Fuck
yeah.
bitches like rhinos, shoot blanks like albinos. Benji doggy style, stick a knife in your vaginal. MCs wanna battle me, don't make me get my laugh on. I'll jump on stage and slap you with a bloody tampon. And fuck mainstream, like what the fuck you talking about? But see that Soulja Boy, I'ma show you how we rock this out. And D4L and that song Laffy Taffy, what shaking ass have to do with a bag of candy. People say hip-hop's dead, but I disbelieve your topic. Cause when I grab microphones, you know I rock it. I make your head ache, so here's my verbal aspirin. I make your lady drool, so here's a box of napkins. Haha, you know, peace out, good riddance. I gotta meet some boys to get my fucking pitch-ins.